Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to look at some of the functions within Blackboard Collaborate that we have where we might want to give, for example, one of the users in the session presenting rights, or where we might need to remove one of those users. So here what you can see on my screen is I've joined a Blackboard Collaborate session. This is a test session, and I've got a couple of users in here with me. So to start with, we'd click down at the bottom where we have the Collaborate panel. And here we have our various options, but we need to select the Attendees tab at the bottom. Then what we can see is who's in the session. So we've got myself and these other participants. Say, for example, we decided that user 01 needed to give a presentation. We can click on these buttons here, and we can then make them a presenter and give them specific rights to do that. At the same time, if we were having problems with one of these users, say user 02 was causing us issues, we can click on this and we can remove them from the session, so they are removed from this session. And it's as simple as that if we wish to give users presenting rights or to remove them from the session. I hope you found this video useful.